Have you ever heard of AirDrop? AirDrop is Apple's first party file sharing service. This is one aspect related to Apple's ecosystem and why some people prefer iPhones over Android phones. This feature was lacking in Android from a long time, but it made a debut in Android 11 developer preview. For those who don't know about AirDrop, the platform uses Bluetooth to initiate the handshake between devices, well, virtually, and uses Wi Fi to transfer files between them. As I told you, Android lacked this, but it had other alternative apps such as Google's own Files. But it was not even close to AirDrop because, unlike Files, AirDrop is built right into the operating system. So, Google started working on something similar to that behind the scenes. Earlier, it was named Fast Share. Then, it was renamed to Nearby Share, which makes sense. Well, from behind the scenes, the app is now in beta stage. Beta of what? Wait. Apple makes iPhones, and iOS is used only by iPhones. So, when AirDrop got released in 2011, the latest version of iOS was iOS 7, and AirDrop was available only from iOS 7 and after. Now, the latest version is iOS 14. So, for the past 7 generations, AirDrop got integrated into the operating system. But on the other end of the road, there are a lot of Android phones. And how is Google actually planning to release it to so many phones? If it plans to release it as an app and let everybody download it from the Play Store, they have already got files. So that's not gonna happen. So what is common between all these Android phones? Android, obviously. But all the Android phones aren't running the latest version. So, if Google tries to do what Apple did back then and tells everybody that Nearby Share will run only on the latest versions of Android, makes no sense. Then it would take more than 2 years for Nearby Share to reach the masses. But there is one more thing which is common between all these devices and has nothing to do with the versions of Android, and that is Google Play services. If you join beta testing for Google Play services, you can get a taste of Nearby Share, which is freshly baked into the operating system. And this is how Google is actually planning to release it. No third party app required. Built, baked, right into the operating system as a part of Android. But it's a hit or miss, like a lottery. Some of you may not get it, so don't get disappointed. Because I tried it in 3 devices, but was able to successfully run Nearby Share only in 2 devices. Despite these 2 devices being the same, Nearby Share isn't activated in this device. Maybe it will work when the stable version gets released. You will not find it in the Play Store. You have to search in Google for that. Just to make it easy for you guys, tap the link in the description and join the beta. After you have done that, you have to wait for some time. And then you will get an update for the app. I got the update the next day after joining the beta. After downloading the update, you got to see if you have won the lottery or not. Open Settings, Google, Device Connections, Nearby Share, turn it on, or open the notification panel, edit. If you find it there, then you are lucky. Now you should be able to find Nearby Share in pretty much every share sheet. You can share all the file formats except apps. And trust me, it's fast. Maybe it improves even more in the stable version. This is how it greets you. It asks you to turn on Bluetooth, location and Wi-Fi. Just hit turn on and it will do the job for you. Then share anything and select Nearby. And on the other phone, open Nearby Share, or even just the location is on. It will prompt you to open it. Then the phone from which you are sending will search for devices, and after finding it, select it. And accept on the other phone, and the sharing starts. If you open the Nearby Share settings, you will find these options. You can select your Google account, and you can change the device name, and it will be visible to others. By default, the name you have given to your Google account will be shown to others. Device visibility. It will give you 3 choices to choose: all, Sum, and hidden. Sum means you can specifically select which contact your phone should be visible, and hidden means you have to open nearby share manually to be visible to other devices. Next, data. You can choose to use data or Wi-Fi or even not to use data at all. Okay, now let's test it. The time it takes to share photos are almost instantaneous. And other files are pretty much faster than other sharing services. I shared an 800 MB video file through Files and it took 389 seconds. It's almost 6.5 minutes. But it took only 125 seconds to share the same video file through Nearby Share. Just imagine how fast it is. A full movie transferred in 2 minutes, and it is just the beta version. This would be a perfect alternative of AirDrop for Android. But there are some caveats. Of course, the pros are more. You can tell I'm nitpicking, but I need you to know both the sides of the coin. The first con is you cannot share the installed apps like you share in files. And the second one is the thing I have noted that if the receiving phone has an older version of Bluetooth like version 4.0 or lower, the transfer is slowed down. Maybe that's in my phone. And again, can't complain because this is still in the beta stage. If I find any updates regarding this, I'll let you know. Well, hoping that Google will release the stable version very soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.